Looking for smarter way to measure internal teams or external suppliers' performance? Welcome to FM Navigate's KPI Portal, your central hub for clear, consistent, and accountable performance tracking. Easily assign KPIs, set scoring rules, and establish tailored scorecards in an instant. Enter KPI data, upload evidence, respond to feedback, and track follow-up actions in real time. Assign the optimum scoring method, considering both efficiency and exceptions, to a percentage-based inputs. Need a report? Export everything to PDF or Excel in seconds, perfect for board packs, reviews, or audits. You'll get instant alerts, full audit trails, and a live dashboard with trends, color-coded scoring, and status updates, all stored for easy year-on-year comparisons. No spreadsheets. No chasing. Just structured, smart performance reporting. FM Navigate puts you in control and keeps your suppliers on track. Ready to transform and automate performance within your business? The KPI portal is part of FM Navigate's holistic, cloud-based solution for FM and property management. Come and speak with us today to see how FM Navigate can reduce costs, save time, reduce risks, and elevate performance.